Hi, I'm Sherry Van Hoover. I'm going to be your instructor for Healthcare of Women this semester. I've been teaching for the Midwifery Institute for about 13 years now. I've taught all across the curriculum. These days I teach the Healthcare of Women course and Health Policy. And I'll be teaching both of those courses this spring semester. I'm really looking forward to having all of you in the course. I live on the West Coast in rural Washington State, where I have a small farm with my husband. I also practice clinically doing GYN care and have been quite active in the local political community as well. So Healthcare of Women is a content-heavy, very content-heavy course. There's a lot to learn, and a lot of it's going to be new for most of you. However, with our small and intimate group that we've got this semester, there'll be lots of opportunity for individual attention. I'm really looking forward to our PBLs, where we'll really be able to dig deeply into the content because we are a small group, and also the mastery sessions where you'll be able to get a lot of really individualized attention. I hope that you'll all attend the orientation session. That will give us a chance to really talk one-to-one about the course, about expectations, go over all the assignments. That will be recorded for those who can't attend, but you'll get a lot more out of it if you can be there. And you can contact me by email or you can call. Although if you call, keep in mind I'm on the West Coast, Pacific time. That means that I'm 3 hours earlier than East Coast time. So probably you don't want to call me too much before noon East Coast time. That'll be 9 a.m. where I am. And I do my best thinking and problem solving after 9 o'clock. So again, welcome. It's great having you here, and I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you.